Hello guys, in this video how to create an object of a class using reflection. In Java, objects can be created following ways: using a new operator, by cloning also you can create, by deserialization you can create, using reflection also you can create an object. Reflection is nothing but getting information about classes and their constructors, methods, etc. at runtime. For this, we need two things. One is a package called java.long.reflect. Another one called class, which accepts generic type. This is a central class, is a central for a reflection. Now let's write a program. First create a class called employee. Add some fields. String name. Date of join. Add one constructor. Int id, string name, initialize these values. Now class employee, we need to get a reference to the class. This is also class. It is a special class created by the JVM for reflection purpose. Now we need to get all constructors associated with these employee objects. CL dot get constructors. It returns an array of constructors. In our case, we have only one constructor. Just to loop through. Just paste it here. Each constructor has parameters. In our case, we have three parameters: ID, name, and DOC. So now we need to get all parameters. Get parameters. Params. For each parameter, type is associated. We need to check the type. Params. Before that, we need to create three variables of employee class fields assigned with the default values. int id equal to 0, string name equal to empty string local date equal to null. If p dot get type equal to integer id, assign id with some value. Else p dot get type equal to string class, assign name with sum. Else p dot get type equal to local date. Local date dot now we initialize all the three parameters. We need to invoke a constructor. So constructor class has method called new instance which accepts object array. But in our case we have only three parameters. One is id, another one is name, another one is local date. It returns object. It throws bunch of exceptions. We are not handling that. That's it. Object is created. We need to check with the employee class. Obj instance of employee. If it is true, then typecast it to employee, so that you can easily get all fields of employee. System dot out dot println id e dot id plus name equal to e dot name doj equal to e dot doj. We assign with the default values. Here we assign with the actual values based on the type of the parameter. Now we need to get these values from the program. Here the values under name